Hello friends, welcome to my weekly feature, Start Your Week with Monsoon Updates. So this is valid for the period September 13th up until September 19th. So a quick synopsis is that the monsoon is expected to revive with the monsoon trough likely to cover central India and parts of Konkan as well as peninsular India. And Bay of Bengal is likely to host a low pressure system sometime tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It's not going to be a very strong system. Moderate low pressure system is what is expected in the central Bay of Bengal. Due to the presence of this monsoon trough and the activity in Bay of Bengal, uh, active rains are expected over Kerala. Kerala is already experiencing some rains, including coastal Karnataka as well, parts of South Konkan, which also includes Goa. So those places have been seeing rains for the past 2-3 days. So rains will continue in those places, and at the same time, the rain monsoon activity will pick up over North Konkan, which includes Ratnagiri, Mumbai, and Palghar coastal areas. And also, interior Maharashtra will also start getting some rains because of the presence of this Bay of Bengal system and the fact that the monsoon trough is going to enter central India. So, monsoon is going to revive for these places. And also, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and parts of South Madhya Pradesh will also see some active rains in the coming week. So some moderate to heavy rains are likely over Mumbai and interior Maharashtra, including Pune and Nashik, most likely. Nashik may not get heavy rains, but maybe some light to moderate rains. But further interior like Vidarbha, Marathwada will get some moderate to heavy rains. Ghat sections will also get some moderate to heavy rains, and these rains are not going to cause much inconvenience as they're not going expected to be very heavy. So some 70-80 mm per day for Mumbai is what is expected, which is not very inconvenient. And so this is the active monsoon phase for the month of September for Mumbai, because since the start of September we have been experiencing a break phase. And under the influence of the Bay of Bengal system, as the Bay of Bengal system tracks along the monsoon trough towards northwest, Gujarat will also get some moderate to heavy rains sometime later this week. So since the Bay of Bengal system has formed, withdrawal is will be delayed. It was supposed to happen this week, but this low pressure system and the active monsoon trough will not allow this monsoon to withdraw. Although Northwest India will not get rains or the activity is very subdued, but for monsoon to start withdrawing, we have to ensure that the monsoon trough becomes weak and also the monsoon's currents are weaker. But that's not going to happen. So withdrawal will be delayed, and only we can expect withdrawal from September 22nd or 23rd onwards. So more on withdrawal in my next video, in my next update around September 20th. You will get a better picture. So please don't believe that withdrawal has started. It has not started. IMD is keeping a watch, and I think it is getting pushed. So it is not going to be expected this week, the withdrawal. So this is the monsoon inter-seasonal oscillation. As you can see, the monsoon currents and monsoon circulation is covering parts of central India as well as Konkan, and of course peninsular India as well. And it is going to remain in this phase 2, phase 3, at least up until mid September. Third week of September. Okay, so that is good for rains over central India. So September will again be normal for central India and the west coast of India. This is the weather pattern where you see a low pressure system being generated in the Bay of Bengal. This is the monsoon trough axis right now. So below the monsoon, the region below the monsoon trough will get some active rains, which includes Konkan, parts of central India, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. And as the week progresses, the low pressure will track along this monsoon trough axis and will move towards northwest India. So some, like I said, moderate to heavy rains are expected this week for most of the places that have been mentioned in the synopsis. So that is the quick update. Thank you for the support, and I'll be back with this feature next week as well. And the monsoon is still active, so at least over main parts of India. Only northwest India the monsoon is subdued, and also North India the monsoon is subdued. Withdrawal will start sometime later, so we have to wait for that. Okay. So thank you again, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Have a good day. Bye.